Hello my YouTube friends and family, how are you all? Hope all are good and fine.
Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to dive into the wonderful world of DIY home decor, specifically, summer door hangers. With the warm weather upon us, it's time to give our homes a summer makeover, and what better way to do that than with a charming, handmade door hanger? So, grab your crafting supplies and let's get started. I hope you enjoyed this little DIY adventure and it brought a smile to your face. Remember, the best part of crafting is not the final product, but the joy it brings during the creative process. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more crafty goodness and inspiration. Until next time, keep crafting, stay creative, and have an amazing summer.